An efficient irrigation system is designed to deliver the appropriate volume of water evenly to meet all plant needs in the time available. The irrigation system should apply water evenly across the cropping area, apply the correct volume of water often enough to meet plant demands, and apply the required water in the time available. Improving the scheduling of an efficient irrigation system provides the best opportunity to achieve savings in total water use without adversely affecting plant growth. Historically, growers have selected run times for an irrigation zone or block using their experience. Picking up a container to get a feel for the water content, or testing for wetness by sticking a finger into the media, taking the plant out of a container and visually checking the growing media, or just selecting a time on the irrigation controller and seeing how it goes. But what if you could see what was actually happening to the water in the growing containers? If you could see what water is lost from the container and when, and if all the lost water is replaced during irrigation. This can be achieved by weighing containers. This is a simple, robust method that shows container moisture content at any given time. The portable weight-based scheduling unit has been developed to enable us to see the changes occurring within the container by recording this information and presenting it in the form where the changes in moisture in the growing media can be displayed on a graph. The unit checks the physical weight of the plant container every minute and allows you, the grower, to see the changes that occur within the container through water loss through evaporation, water loss to drainage, wind effects on irrigation, how much of an irrigation event replaces lost water, how rainfall affects the moisture content of containers. The portable weight-based scheduling unit consists of 3 components. A data logger that records the weight of a plant in its container every minute so we can track the changes over time. A load cell is a weighing device that containers are secured to track the container weight variations. The data is collected and logged every minute over the time that the unit is installed on a site. The third component is a weather station that gathers information on environmental conditions to help with interpretation of the results. The data that is collected on site at a nursery is provided to growers as a customised graph showing the changes in weight of a container over time and how this relates to other environmental factors. Physical tests can confirm the container capacity and refill points that can be compared against the graph to identify the performance of the current irrigation scheduling. This technology is also being tested as a method for controlling irrigation according to plant requirements. Placing this equipment in a range of nurseries and looking at this information on an industry-wide basis will generate information that growers will be able to use in managing their irrigation scheduling. This short training video has been supported by South East Queensland Irrigation Futures Rural Water Use Efficiency Initiative, and special thanks go to Blackall Range Nurseries and Palmwood Tropicals.